Hello, this is Seth and Mark, who's holding the camera right now. We're just two super boring guys, got home from work. And Mark suggested us to go to the MixC, which is supposed to fanciest more shopping mall here in Shenzhen. So we're starting from the Sesame Street, and let's go.
So this is probably going to be our first video.
That's right.
It's really just for fun.
Yeah.
We're just strolling down the streets of Shenzhen.
We're just passing by the Sesame Street, as you can see, like this little, like toys and boys and girls, like taking selfies with this. Hey, here's a school bus, by the way. There was the other day I was listening to this radio broadcast about how there's one episode about the Sesame Street, about that little cracks on the wall, which scares like thousands of children. It was like, yeah, it was like a nightmare for like, children who have watched that episode. And now they're trying to figure out, like, you know, why is that episode so scary? And they're trying to figure out, like, who made those episodes. And yeah, that was pretty interesting, though.
So, and before we go to actually visit that mall with lots of fancy stuff inside, we're going to eat. And the place we're going to eat at is a McDonald's. But it looks very different in China.
What's so fancy about McDonald's here?
Yeah, you're gonna see it in a moment. Yeah, this is how Chinese McDonald's looks like. And we're walking right in. Actually, this is pretty disappointing. Only muffins and cakes. That's all they got in here.
And leisure, the unusual expensive. Oh, sorry, I mean experience.
It's so hard. It's so hard.
Hey, look at that. This is new here. Apparently, none of us have ever seen this before. So I assume this is new. So you kind of scan the goods that you bought from the supermarket here, scan the QR code, and you pay it here.
So you don't even have to go to the cash desk.
That's right.
In China, this is how we order food.
Right. You scan that QR code, and you can order it on your cell phone.
Easy as that.
Yeah, except that you have to pay extra money for that.
Got no cell phone, got no food.
Okay, now we're going to the creation floor. There's lots of cool stuff that you don't want to miss in Shenzhen. And we are going through that little room. It's called Little Prince.
This is the creation floor of Eslite Mall. And if you want to spend time creating something with your hands, painting or clay modeling, anything, you can come here and enjoy your time spent here in a great environment. You can actually do lots of different things here, even carve wood, make coffee. Okay, let's go and look around what they have here.
Hey, look! To infinity and beyond! Organization.
What are you doing?
Fine.
Isn't that great?
Super duper.
Look at his asshole. Look at this.
Hey Mark, you're such a...
What? Are they all like this? They're all like this. They're all like this. Yes, they're all like this. Oh my! This is fun. This is lots of fun. These cups are great. What? Wooden bag? It's a wooden bag. So whether you want to carve or do something with your hands, like a ukulele or an iPhone case, you come here and create. Нифига себе календарик. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 24th. Is today 24th? Look at this calendar.
Roaring days.
Look at these. They're so cute.
Hey Mark! Hey Mark! What's your problem? Hey Mark! What's your problem, man?
What's next?
Jewelry.
Falling in love with love is playing the fool. Caring too much is such a juvenile offense.
So if you're a musician, you know how to play or sing, most of the weeks they have a Saturday open mic, so you can come and sing here. I tried.
Hey Mark, look at these. And they're cute. Look how cute they are.
What? 30 bucks? There's lots of fun you can have in this mall. So now we're done here, and I think we're gonna go home.
Wait, what was that? Oh, got it. It's game time. Ciao for now.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.